Hello everyone. So if you're watching this video, you're curious about how I'm coming on the Tatted and Mediterranean knotted lace sunflowers. And I have to say, they're both done. And I have most of the patterns written as of the filming of this video. Oh, and Marshmallow has joined me. That's pretty usual, isn't it? So I am actually drinking some chai, thanks to my husband today, instead of coffee, as sometimes happens. And Marshmallow, of course, knows that when I start talking to the camera, it is his opportunity to come over and get pets and loving. So he likes to come join me. Let's see, I know Tina's 3 embroidered pins have been finished for ages. We do have pre-order kits available on the website. Thank you to those of you who have already pre-ordered. I will do my very best to make sure that the PDF is available as well as of the posting of this video, because again, most of mine is done and most of Tina's is done, so we'll at least get an initial PDF up if you would prefer to just buy the PDF and use your own threads at home. We understand that and wanted to give you an option. And in the PDF, you will get all of the various patterns that we are making. So it's the tatted pattern, the Mediterranean knotted lace pattern, and all 3 of the embroidery patterns as well. So you're going to get all of them together. That way you can choose which one or many you would like to do. What else do I need to tell you? We have a lot of fabulous stuff in the clearance section right now. So if you haven't been over to Black Sheep Fiber Emporium, please go check that out. Tell your friends to go check it out. We have a lot of yarn that we need to move on to good homes. And I'm also bringing in, again, a bunch of fun stuff from Japan. I've just got a bunch of stuff in from Kariki Press out of Canada. I have all of the needle threaders are completely restocked. So all 3 kinds, styles, and all 3 sizes, the micro, the classic, and the tapestry, they're all restocked. I have all of those in-house ready to go out to you guys. I'm also expecting a big box of thread from Japan anytime, and we're going to do yet another large sashiko order because you guys love the sashiko so much. So clearly we should be doing more of that on our channel. As Tina kind of talked about in one of her videos, we are a little bit of like Renaissance crafters. We like to do lots of different things. And so as we get into the rest of March, you may see some interesting videos going up because I have a friend who's asked me to make some sheep coats for her, and I want to share the sewing process on those. I've also got some spinning to do. I was looking at my spinning wheel actually. It's kind of hard to drink my chai with Marshmallow wanting all the love right now. In addition to that, I ordered the electric eel wheel yarn counter off of Kickstarter way back when, and it just came in. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but everybody that's using it says it's fabulous. So I really want to try this with some hand spun yarn and see how it works. What else are we going to talk about? I need to get back to weaving. I still have my weaving downstairs, and I do miss doing those weaving Wednesdays, weaving outside and just sharing with you kind of my weaving journey. So there are a lot of things that we like to do and like to share, and that's why we don't focus on just one thing on this channel. We like to knit and crochet and tat and weave and spin, and we like to do Mediterranean knotted lace. So here's the finished sunflower. Doesn't that look nice? Really like how this guy turned out. And I got all the diagrams done for it, so I just have to finish putting the photos in and putting it together. And I haven't trimmed my ends yet because I'm not sure if I want to put this on a pin back or if I just want to keep it the way it is. I thought about putting it on a hair clip actually, because I think Ina would like to wear it. She loves flowers. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do to finish it. And then here is my sunflower, and again, giant sunflower. Ooh, that would look really good on a hair clip too. Look at that, that's a nice big statement piece. This one I am planning to tat again and possibly make a little bit smaller, so I'll have 2 versions. But for the time being, the PDF will only have 1. No, Marshmallow, I don't want kisses from you, thank you. Anyway, he's very loving today. He's very into, like, he likes it when I talk on the camera. Anyway, so this is also all finished. Look, it looks so nice. I do have to go down and give this a little steam and a little press because my petals are a little more curly than I anticipated. So I might do a video about how to do that as well. And I do have a wool ironing mat that I like to use to press on, just because I think it does a great job. The steam goes through and it kind of gets trapped in the wool, so you get it on both sides. And anyway, I really like my pressing mat. It's very nice. So anyway, let's see. I will be working on getting all of the kits ready for the Mediterranean knotted lace. And again, thank you to everybody who's ordered one of those. I think I've already had 7 or 8 of them ordered, and I really appreciate that. For the tatted ones, I hope now that it's done and I have a nice picture that you'll share with your friends that we do have a tatted sunflower pattern available and a kit available as well. Yeah, because they're finally done. And like I said, Tina's been working on her embroidery, so I know that her embroidery pattern should be ready very soon, and she's also working on the kits for those. There's just all kinds of fun stuff going on. Anyway, so this is just kind of a roundup video. I just wanted to tell you some of the fun things that we have going on, like check out the clearance. I reorganized the website. If you haven't been over there, go take a little, look through it. There's going to be fun stuff coming up in terms of I'm going to get back into doing some of the spinning, weaving, knitting, tatting, Mediterranean knotted lace, sewing. Like, we're doing all of it again. And so you'll see more videos popping up on the website showing you how to do these various things, and also chat days like I'm doing now, where I'm just talking to you and sharing kind of what's going on. Once the garden gets a little more interesting, we'll take a little walk through the garden. We'll go see the chickens and the ducks, and probably Charlie, because he likes to follow me around outside. And anyway, should be a ton of fun. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you always know when there's a new video. And don't forget, if you're strapped on time, you can always just put it on like double speed and, just listen to me on fast. Although I already talk pretty quickly, so I don't know how that's going to work out. But sometimes I do that to Tina's videos. Don't tell her. Tina, don't watch this one. You didn't see that. You didn't hear it. Anyway, and then don't forget also to make sure that you have signed up for our newsletter, that you have liked us and followed us on Facebook, that you have followed us on Instagram, and that you followed us on TikTok, because we put up various things on all of these different places. We're trying to stay connected to you and make sure that you know what's going on. Tell your friends, make sure that you are sharing with them all the fun things that we have going on, because we do this for you guys. We like to do it, but we do it to connect with you. So anyway, just make sure that you've subscribed and you tell all your friends to go subscribe too. We do fun things all the time. So anyway, until next time, please take care of yourself. What do I always say? Mentally, physically, emotionally, and craftually. Make sure that you're doing those 15 minutes of crafting every day. I think it really helps with your mental health. And if you're watching this, you're probably thinking the same thing. So anyway, take care of yourself. Marshmallow also says to take care of yourself. And don't bite me, be nice. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. So, bye.